Welcome back, Sketchlab friends. Let's draw a Kuromi Cupcake. In this fan art series tutorial, we'll turn Sanrio's Gothic Cutie into a Kawaii dessert. And we're going to be using some Posca markers, if you got them, or just use whatever you have. We're basically just going to use colors value, and I'll walk you through the steps with a pretty sick time lapse, I'd have to say. You've got to check it out. So we're starting off with the head of Kuromi. And in the comments, let me know what you think about the camera angles that you're getting in this video. And also my time lapse at the end. Is it too much? Is it pretty awesome? I would appreciate your comments. Always trying to improve and create an immersive experience. So hopefully this is it for you guys. You can look at these zoom ins right here. Bam. This little rabbit. So these are the little rabbit ears. It's got the little gesture hat. And so we're just starting off building with shapes here, and we're going to make these look three-dimensional when we color them in. And let's go ahead and start working in on that expression. Little Tuffy expression. And as you can see, she's just not frosted. She is fierce. So I wonder if they have Goth bakeries. I bet you one exists. I just need to look it up. She even comes with skull-shaped sprinkles today. Today, Kuromi is 50% frosting and 50% attitude. Little mischievous little grin here. And if I'm going too fast, just pause the video. Okay. So you see we're curving this line out to the right. So once again out like a diagonal line. And then this side's going to curve out to the left. You guys are doing awesome. Now the fun part. Adding the skull. So guys that draw My Little Ponies are called bronies. What are they called if you draw Kuromis? Do they call them Romies? I don't know. Am I a Romy? And we're going to draw this wavy line here. We're going to start that frosting. She's 50% frosting, 50% attitude problem. Just the way I like my cupcakes. All right, so we're going to curve this line out to the left. And now, on the right side, we're curving a line out to the right. It's going to create the frosting for this cupcake. Kuromi Cupcake today. Curve another line out to the right. You can see it's creating some overlapping. So now it looks like we have a couple layers of frosting. And we're going to draw a little wavy line, so it's going to look like this frosting is dripping over the edge. And now we're going to go ahead and draw a cake layer. Are you ready? All right, let's do this. Curve a line out to the right, and on the left, just curve a line out to the left. Look at how these lines kind of curve down like a smiley face. You got it. And it's behind the frosting. And that's more overlapping. Good job, guys. Draw the sides of that cupcake. And now we're going to curve a line down. Curve that line down. And as we said, we're going to have some little skull sprinkles on this little cupcake, cute little cupcake today. Yep, that definitely looks like a rabbit skull right there. Look at those, the teeth are a dead giveaway. Now let's draw these lines on the liner. And we're almost there, guys. Fantastic. So I'm just going to go in and do a preliminary outline with a Sharpie marker. Oftentimes this outline gets covered up a little bit anyways with the Poscas. But I will outline with Posca later and you're going to see the difference. They're premium. Some of the best outlining markers you can get. This is my sketch pad that I use, by the way. I like the bristle board. Canvas is actually the best surface for Poscas, by the way. So I'm doing a little bit of color mixing because I don't have the dark gray that I need. So I have some black and my gray, and I'm mixing it a dark gray. Now that I've let that dry, I'm going in with some of the black, adding the shadows. Doing some outlining. Look at that purple there. Ooh, that lighting looks awesome. And then back with the gray marker with the highlights. This is the light purple, adding some shadows. Got some pink here. And I'm going to go in light pink in the tongue. A little highlight on the skull's forehead and some fuchsia. It's a dark pink. We've got that light purple, putting down a base color onto that delicious frosting today. Now adding in some shadows with the purple. This is the yellow ochre. Putting down that base color first. And so some parts you can see I'm letting it dry, but right there with the purple, I actually went in with some white to make it lighter. So I have a little bit more value. Now this is a red-orange, going in to add some shadows into the cake layer. See, I'm adding some little backlit lighting with the light purple. And here's that Posca outline. Look how premium brand right there, guys. Premium outline marker. And I'm not sponsored, guys. Not sponsored by Posca. You can just tell it's premium. Look at that. Well, that's one frosted Kuromi. Well, if you love this mashup, subscribe and check out the rest of the fan art series for more sweet surprises.